Well, good morning, guys. It is a winter wonderland. The good thing is, it's just powder and cold. See how Biscuit does using a bathroom in this. It's beautiful, though. Supposed to be doing this all day long. Well, I don't think it was a bust. It's a winter wonderland. Might get out in a little bit. Walk down through there or something. I don't know. It's cold. Hey, buddy. You like it? Snowball fight. Well, I think he likes it. Now go potty. Oh, now you can see the snow really good right now. As you see, it's not my RV, but I would love to get a hold of something like that and fix it up. That would go really well with travels and stuff like that. So, well, it is a beautiful morning. At least it's not slick and icy. And I think Biscuit is loving it. He is absolutely loving this powdery snow. No slickness in it so far, so could be good. Should be good for Monday. Might be a little bit wet and Monday, we'll see. Yeah. Biscuit. Oh my gosh, he's playing in it. He's like, oh, it's playtime. Come on, hurry up, Biscuit. Yeah. Supposed to be some big burst throughout the day also. Yeah, it's going to be really cold, though. That's the only thing. It's going to be like around 15, 20 degrees. And I know it just seems like a bunch of snow videos here in the last week. But that's the pattern we've been in. It's supposed to be another round of something come next week. So I just hadn't been able to get out and do some really cool explorers and stuff, or town, on location town videos yet. So those are coming. Just, bear with me as I'm putting these little life vlogs together, these daily type vlogs. They're not daily, but kind of like that. So, but yeah, we'll see what the day holds on this video. But right now, waiting for him to try to use the bathroom. It is freezing, so he needs to hurry up. Whew, it is blizzard-like conditions here in the Carolinas. This is second weekend in a row. And this is, let's see. Just did a hand measurement. The snow covers my whole hand. So it's about between 6 and 7 inches of snow that we've gotten here. We're going to get out and maybe do some fluffy snowball fights. Yeah, this is a very pretty snow. Probably be the last big snow that we get here in this area. The mountains will probably get some more snow throughout the year. It's definitely a whiteout though. See what the road feels like. It could be slick. Not now. I would say probably right now 6 or 7 inches. Big snow. Hey.
Stop it. It's too powdery. Where's your bowl? What? Where's your bowl?
He don't know what to do. He's so beside himself. Yeah, I'm recording.
Come here, Biscuit.
You can do it again. Oh, he found it. Biscuit's loving this. You like his snow? Hey, Carmen. Oh, he fell. Hey, he fell. Hey, this is probably the most snow you ever seen.
Yeah.
That you remember? That you can remember.
You want your ball? Where's it? You want your ball?
Oh, did you fall? You all right?
No. Stop, Biscuit.
Got my tape measure. It's not wanting to do right here. Got it set on 10 inches. We're going to try it on the banister. Whoops. It's so soft and fluffy. So we're looking at, I don't know if you can see it, 4.5 inches on that. So let's go down here. By far, one of the biggest snows we've had in a while. If I don't fall and bust my butt. Let's do this. 5 inches. So about 5 inches. I'm going to take a little walk with you down the road right down there. Check out the hill. And then later on, me and Carmen's going to get out and walk around for a little bit. So, no driving in this. It's homebound today. Oh, 6 inches there. I guess it all depends on where the ground. It's about so in between 5 and 7 inches. So we're gonna head back in and get warmed up, and we're gonna go back out for another little walk. Not coffee today, some hot chocolate.
Put it right here.
My little refrigerator. I cooled down my hot cocoa. So let's go for a walk and talk about this snowstorm. Not so much of a ice storm in this one. As you can see, it's fluffy, powdery. What? Cheers. Cheers to this dummy. Yep. Hey, wish me luck. We're going to go down here and check the hill out to see if it's slick. It could be slick. nothing going to stop my walk. I'm kind of determined to get some of this weight off. And, yeah, right now I weigh 215. I hadn't showed you guys, but that's what my weight is right now. It is just a beautiful, beautiful day. Well, not a beautiful day. A beautiful winter wonderland today. So let's go down here, check the hill out, and see what it looks like. Somebody got out right there. We're gonna see if this is hot because my old tongue don't do good with hot. We're gonna see. It's a little bit warm, but I might let it cool down for a minute. Pretty slick right here. See, this is part of the problem. Now, whenever you drive on snow like this, it kind of gets packed down. I'm gonna set this right here for a minute. Come back and get it. Get me some good photos in this weather. Pretty slick, where it's, we'll say scrape it, which we won't get it scraped here. So this is going to be pretty bad, probably for at least through tomorrow, depending on when it stops. We are definitely stuck in a bad weather pattern this winter. Started out really warm. I mean, it was like 70, 75 degrees on Christmas Day, something like that. So it started out really warm until January hit. And then that's when it all just kind of went downhill with the temperatures. The temperatures just plummeted. We've had single-digit temperatures this year. Wow, this is a gigantic hill. I can't believe how big this hill is. Get Carmen out here in a little bit. Me and her is going to take a walk. Maybe I'll take her down to the hill. She hasn't seen the hill during bad weather like this. So, I want my hot cocoa. So, I'm going to go back up here. It is blizzard-like weather. It's blowing the snow really, really hard. And I'm actually walking into it, which is making a blizzard-like atmosphere here. Hopefully my hot cocoa will be a warm cocoa. Because it burns me old tongue. Oh, I see it. I see it up there. It's like, where is my hot cocoa? I see it. Hopefully it didn't fall over. I wonder what the totals is going to be at the end. Because it's like 1 o'clock. Still got a lot of snow to come. And we got about 5 or 7 inches right now. So once I get my hot cocoa, this is hard to climb up in bad weather. Let's get the hot cocoa. See you at the bottom of the hill. Yes, that hits the spot. I got it down to the temperature that I like. No coffee today. Well, I've had a coffee this morning with my breakfast from the house. So I figured perfect day for a hot cocoa. It's really cold, mid-20s. Hence, that's why it's just a bunch of snow. I can now see how they feel like up in Canada and stuff. Because this is what it's like up there all the time in Canada. This is probably a dusting up there. At the bottom of the hill. So I hope you guys have enjoyed these snow days, these ice days, these winter wonder ice storms, winter wonderland type snowstorms. And this is what this is. I hope you guys have enjoyed these videos. I've actually enjoyed putting them together and bringing them to you. It's been a lot of fun. I really haven't came with a topic on these videos. Just kind of picked the camera up and hit record and just talk about whatever is on my mind. So, and what's on my mind now is talking about the weather, the snow. Looks like we could get about 10 inches. Got around 7 right now. Whew. Tell you, that hill always gets me, especially in this bad weather. It's a little slippery. But we're in the Carolinas, not western, kind of near Charlotte. And have you guys been caught into this bad weather pattern? These bad storms, ice, freezing rain, snow. No, we've really got hit with it pretty hard. Making a track up here to the end of the road to see what the main road looks like. I know it's going to be bad. Just want to see what the road looks like. But yeah, comment down below if you guys have had this kind of weather. If so, comment your accumulation and the effect it has had on you, your travels, your work, your life, and stuff like that. Weather like this makes me really want to get a side-by-side Polaris or something like that. Or just a good four-wheeler. I could really have some fun in this kind of weather with something like that. But yeah, this hot cocoa has cooled down just enough, but still hot, and really feels good drinking this hot cocoa. Thanks to my daughter and her boyfriend. They made this hot cocoa for me. Getting close to the end of the road down here. Show you what that looks like in just a second. Coming up on the main road, guys. Standing in the middle of the road again. No traffic at all. I think once I get back home, I'm going to get warmed up and maybe give me some taco soup. Sure, yeah, taco soup really sounds good. Either that, I guess some sandwiches left too. I'm gonna get me a little something to eat for a mid-afternoon snack before we come back out and conclude the video in a little bit. I'll do some more hot cocoa. I don't know, but we'll see. Right now, you've seen the hill, so we're gonna head on back to the house, and if me and Carmen comes back out, we'll finish it up. If not, I'll just come out and finish it up. So, finish the video up, show you what it looks like about 3 hours from now. So we'll probably come back out around 5, something like that, and show you what impacts it has, how many inches, and stuff like that on this snowy winter wonderland. Yeah, it's way worse going back home because I'm going into the snow, and it really is just like going in my eyes, and it's kind of like a little blizzard. I don't think it's quite as hard coming down as hard as it was, or as much as it was, but it makes it a little bit tough to walk in this when it's beating you into the face like this. Sometimes I guess this is what it feels like in Alaska, you know. They're always getting snow like this, and yeah. Just wanted to say it's a little tougher to walk back because it's beating me in the face. Okay, see you back at the house, or later on when me and Carmen come out. Here we get home, get warmed up. It's cold. The things I do to document real life, guys. Real life. Got the snow dance.
Guys, this is the most snow I've ever experienced in my entire life, and I'm 20 years old. Never experienced snow like this before. Look at my feet.
And raise a foot up. Look at that.
Look, it's literally up to here.
Right here too. Definitely a lot of snow. Didn't we get a big one in 2016? But it wasn't this much. I don't think it was this much.
It looks like a tint in my doggone windows.
It does, don't it? Really easy to clean off. That's a good thing. So you ready to walk to Charlotte?
Oh, guys, do you like this headband? Look, you see this headband right here? This cute one?
Uh-huh.
I made it.
She's getting her own little line of merch. Eventually. You never know.
Never know.
Never know. She's done made a headband. She's working on a outfit for Biscuit. And
I've made a bag. I've made a scarf. I've made little things to hold like Starbucks cups in, because I don't like the cardboard ones because they're not cute.
so what else are you planning to make? Uh-oh. The creation, remember that?
It was in this exact hoodie too. Now I see my dog.
Get under it. Get under it. Just. There you go. I make a cute picture though.
You want to take my picture?
Yeah. Yeah. Well, luckily for us, they hadn't been out here trying to drive around in it.
Yeah.
Which they usually don't in this area.
No.
So, this is what we're looking at.
Oh, those are your prints.
Yeah, this one here's my prints from earlier. And I came back the opposite kind of the way. You know. Yeah, I walked all the way to way beyond that up there. How far is that?
Yes.
Are they outside?
I heard kids.
I thought I heard kids too. Not no snowman snow
I
though.
like this kind of snow a lot better than the other kind we just had.
Yeah. Now, if we get sun tomorrow, it'll dry us all out.
Yeah.
You know, that's a good thing about it. That's a good thing
I mean, I
about
like the
this.
snow, but I also want to be able to go back to school.
Yeah.
Because I haven't actually been to a physical class in a week.
Yeah, I don't want to miss another day at work.
Oh, sure.
So what you thinking about this snow? You do like it, don't you?
I like this snow.
Yeah.
But also because I know when the sun comes out, this will just dry away.
Very quickly.
Yeah.
You can get some good exercise in this snow too, especially when you walk a mile.
Yeah.
That's probably got to be at least a mile there and back.
Yeah.
You know, at least.
The funny thing about these shoes I have on though, they're actually waterproof. Like I don't feel my socks are completely dry. And
What kind of
think
shoes
they
you
won't
wearing?
be. These stupid black version of the boots you bought me for Christmas.
Oh.
I mean, snow might leak up inside because they only go up to about a little bit bigger than my ankle, but
Yeah. Feels like we live in Alaska all of a sudden.
I don't know.
You know, these looks
This
like.
is what they deal with.
Yeah, this ain't nothing. They driving in this in Alaska. You know,
They'd be like,
but they probably got a better road
they'd
system
be like,
too.
huh, weirdos. They're calling off for it because of this little teeny tiny bit of snow.
They probably got a better infrastructure for the roads, at least in like Anchorage and
I bet you their
Fairbanks.
house has to be like built a certain way.
With the summers in Alaska, he built that house. It looks like a regular house, but I think he did say something about the insulation. They had to use a certain kind of insulation or something.
Yeah.
Don't quote me on that, but you know, I like that channel.
It's too bright
They're
out
real.
here. I'm seeing stars.
You seeing stars? But this
Like
is
little teeny tiny dots.
this is why it's always treacherous going up this hill, though. It's pretty bad. I wonder how my car would go up this.
There's
Like in
nothing
this,
underneath to mess up.
huh?
There's nothing underneath.
The battery, but you know, be my luck I'd
You
go
can
off in
feel
there.
the ice from it.
Yeah, packing under it. Yeah, it's going to be slick in the morning.
It's gonna be nothing but ice right here.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's going to be slick. It's going to be slick Monday morning, probably.
Your shoes went out.
Whoa, that's it. We can't snowball fight, so we'll. Whoa, 3D, baby. Oh, you remember the last snow we had, Carmen? Remember? We had a snowball fight war.
Yeah.
We should find that video.
I thought it was on my YouTube channel.
It's either on yours or mine.
Ready to turn back around?
Well, we're gonna keep on walking
Fine.
until we get to outer space. Nah, we can turn around. Hey, you know what you can do? You know what we should have done?
What?
We should have got the sleds out.
From the building. But it's not really good to sled on.
On this hill, I think anything's sledding on this. But yeah, this is a snowstorm. It's a winter storm, but it's not like an ice storm like last weekend. So, a lot better overall. Still gonna have ice though, like you showed a minute ago. Oh,
Loser.
bloopers. All right.
So dumb.
I know. But I think I'm going to go ahead and end the video of this snowstorm of, I would say, at least 8 inches. At least.
Yeah.
And it's good to have Carmen back on the video. She popped her head in here. Wanted to be part of this snowstorm. So we're just going to go back to the house, chill out, eat some dinner, or is it supper?
Whatever you want to call
Yeah,
it.
whatever. eat some dinner in a bit, and watch a movie and be lazy for the rest of the evening. And wake up in the morning and see what in the morning, which is it's Saturday now. So wake up Sunday morning and see what the weather looks like. It's supposed to stop around 8, 11. I don't know. They keep changing that. So,
Yeah.
but thank you guys for watching, and catch you guys on the next video. Goodbye. I said, you're going to get yourself sick. You went, oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There's a beast behind you. The beast within.
Boom.
Here you go.
Ah, yes.
Oh, wow. We got an inch.
Moment of truth.
Seven inches. Nope. Almost
No.
almost 8 inches. So that's it, guys.